Wow, what a fantastic car has just arrived. This is the Grigio Silverstone Metallic Ferrari Portofino, the 2+2 sports car. You're talking 600 brake horsepower, 0 to 60 in 3.5 seconds. This is stunning. It's got that beautiful Bordeaux Red Interior, 23,000 miles, full Ferrari service history with the remainder of the maintenance package which expires in 2025. This car also has an extended Ferrari warranty which expires in July 2024. It really is a head turner. It's a timeless piece. It looks stunning. The lines, the silhouette, the look, the drive, the sound, and then this car has massive specification. Now, we use our live pricing strategy here at Acklam Car Centre, so we literally do all the work for you. If you look at what's available, we have priced this one with the live pricing strategy in mind to be the best value Portofino on the market. Some of the cars which are more expensive haven't got half as much specification, so it really is special. So from the front, you have that lovely slick look to it. It's a very exciting car. Long front end, low nose cone on it, and you have got the Magneride as well. The SBL LED headlights with the LED daytime running lights, front and rear camera system, also front and rear parking sensors. You've then got the chrome edged front grille as well here. The car is amazing. I love the badges all around the car, the bonnet vents, and then this car has got the 20-inch wheels on it, which again are in perfect condition. Carbon ceramic brake discs just behind there, and the red brake calipers. But I love this airflow down the side, the Scuderia shield badges on both sides, and then you use this little handle to get in. But look at that Bordeaux red leather interior. Talk about sport seats with comfort in mind. You've then got that centre bridge there, the flat bottom steering wheel, all leather wrapped, and then you have the touchscreen media system, climate control area, and this car also has the passenger display. You've also got the upgraded JBL hi-fi system in this car as well. I'm going to quickly show you by just turning some of this on because it is that good, it's amazing. You've got lots of Alcantara down here, leather around the knee pad area, leather on the bottom dash. There's a touchscreen passenger display, media, navigation, performance, the Portofino badging, more leather across the top. It's just nice and comfortable. It's a brilliant car, 23,000 miles. It's such a nice little find. When you come across a car like this and you want a sports car and you want it to have 4 seats, it's perfect. And remember, it's a hard-top convertible as well, so you press one button, the hood goes up, which I'll show you at the end of the video. But the condition of the seats, front and back, you have got ISOFIX attachments. Don't get me wrong, I'm not going to be naive and say there's tons of space in the back, because there isn't, but they are seats, and if you pull these seats forward, you can still put passengers in the back. As you get to the back of the car, you'll notice the wider arches, and then you have the beautiful circular LED lighting system. This car does have the sports exhaust package on it, so you have got the better upgraded sports exhaust system on it. Makes a fabulous sound. Reversing camera just below there, and then although it's a convertible, you still have a boot space. So there's a hard top convertible which tucks away nice and neatly, but you can still get a couple of bags in there, which is good. It's a Ferrari at the end of the day, so to be able to put any bags in there is brilliant. There's a specification plaque just there. It shows you all the different extras, such as Apple CarPlay, the adaptive SBL lighting system. Over here, the Magneride, the big one, exhaust system. You've got the full electric seat, the shields I've spoken about already, and there is other stuff like the passenger display unit on this. What an exciting car, value for money. It's a car you can really enjoy, keep it a couple of years, and you might get a small shock because remember with the 3.9 V8 engines, a lot of the newer cars are no longer V8, they're all V6s or smaller, so to get that raw power, the sound, everything about this car for me is just awesome. Now remember, it has got full Ferrari service history, so no expense has been spared. You press this beautiful red button here to start it. The sound is amazing, it really is. You then got the different driving modes switch here, comfort, sport, ESC. Your window wipers, lights, indicators are just up here, and then you have the elongated paddle shift up and down. Over here you got R for reverse, auto, and then the launch. For example, put it into reverse, there's a reversing camera. It's that easy. Put it back into neutral. Headlights, different controls there. I just think this is a fantastic car. It's a brilliant sports car with the power, the sound, and then the look as well. Love the colour, mileage, and everything else about it. My name's Joe. If you like what you see, give me a call, drop me a text or a WhatsApp. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.